Hey everyone, we are for some physiomechanics. We are here to explain you the basic concepts of physiotherapy. What are these two kittens doing? Are they running? Yeah, of course they are, but basically they are moving. So, what is a movement? Is it running or jumping or swimming? A movement is the process that fulfills the functional activities of the human. To make a movement, two components are most important. One, bony levers, two, muscles. So what is this body lever or bony lever? Lever is a rigid body or human segment which contains a fixed fulcrum, force or effort, and resistance or load. Any segment of body acts as lever. For example, elbow joint. Here joint is fulcrum and associated parts are load and effort. No lever is functional unless some force is applied to it. So, what are those forces applied to body levers to produce movements? The forces applied to body are classified into external and internal forces. External forces are supplied from a source outside the body, that is, gravitational force and force by physiotherapists to make a movement. Internal forces are generated within the body, that is, muscular contraction. If these internal and external forces have friendship with each other, makes internal force acts in same direction as external force, causes gravitational pull when the external force is gravity. If external force is physiotherapist hand, it causes passive movement, so there is no muscular work. This is the first condition. In second condition, internal and external forces are enemies. That means internal force acts in opposite direction against external force, which causes active movement, means there is muscular work. In condition 3, the effect of internal and external forces are equal on a segment which causes no movement, or the body is in equilibrium or at rest. That is Newton's law of equilibrium. Just like in tug of war, there is equal forces on either side comparatively, whether it is internal or external, no movement is caused as this rope is stable. So this how forces acts on body levers produces movements. And also there is need of muscle work to produce movement efficiently with bony levers. Thank you. If this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.